We love the Saturday grind. The Saturday grind. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Damn. Oh. I forgot to turn things on. I forgot. That is my bad. Well, actually... Okay, so I finished a phase earlier. AKA 5 minutes ago. And now we are looking at another phase. It's called Helios Play. And the point of Helios Play will be to get rid of these guys, or examples. Because there's more examples, but I guess not there anymore. Might have deleted though. Yeah, to get rid of this guy, essentially, so we don't have a lot of examples. We have more configs. But I have to read this. It just gave me the breakdown. Okay, so one thing I'll do would be Helios research. No, Helios test. We're good here. I scrolled up too much. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, Star. I got a question. Do you have any projects that you've been working on at all? any personal projects, I guess? tried it. Oh, I meant programming projects. I meant programming projects. Yeah, my bad. Not bouldering projects or climbing projects. sorry. I meant regarding. Yeah, my bad. That's my fault. I should have specified. Yeah. I was reading. I was like, "What is this guy talking about right now?" I had to take a double take back. I was like rereading it. I was like, the hobby's taking over your life. Yeah. It's not a hobby anymore at that point. It's a lifestyle. Yeah, I need to, so to do the IRL stream, there's a couple things I need to get. I want to get a mic that connects to my phone, a Bluetooth mic, I guess you can say, because I thought I could do it with my AirPods. Yeah, they didn't give that as an option. Like, I tried to go through settings, and then also I think a magnetic battery pack would help too, like a MagSafe battery pack as well, because since I'm Lightning as an input, the splitters that I've researched online to do both microphone and charging with like a power bank, it's not good. Plus this would be minimalistic, I would say, if I was gonna do an IRL stream again. I don't know. I did go at a popular time. Try my best not to record people or children. Yeah. Outside of leak codes, I see. What do you well, you don't have to be like so specific. If you don't want to be specific, like what do you have on your resume? Do you have like projects at all, or yeah. I will say I've seen some European resumes, and I don't want to like blend every country together, right? But that's what I'm doing. I don't want to, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Dude, I'm a hypocrite. I hate doing that, but here I am. I see faces. I see people put their like LinkedIn profile pic on it. I'm like, huh? Did that fad get out, or is this still a thing? Yeah, okay. I agree with this. Okay. Okay, I agree with this. Okay, I also agree with this. Okay, cool. Maybe we'll have a controller. Yeah, okay, this part. Okay, this part might be a bitch. Okay. Academic, okay, mainly research projects. Oh, gotcha. Paper. Oh, do you have papers published into articles and stuff like that. I only have one paper. Oh, nice. I only have one paper published to the SAE, Society of Automotive Engineers. I think I got BS'd. Like I didn't even get. So I wouldn't say I was one of the authors or anything, but when I was an undergrad research assistant, I helped a lot with the testing, like test setup, bench setup, everything regarding that to gather data. I didn't even get a mention, like an honorable mention or anything. Like, yo, put my name in there, bro. Like, what the fuck you mean? Like, you know how much time and effort I spent in SolidWorks for you? Like, this is bullshit. I 3D printed so many things, and then when you didn't like it, I redid it. It's like, well, you didn't tell me about this scenario. I don't know everything about your test setup, and then I was there for it. Oh man, it was. Did all that work for free? Sorry, I got a little antsy there. Okay, guys, I got a little. Yeah, let's hydrate. Let's hydrate. I got a little boiled right there. Something I got triggered is probably the word. All of a sudden my memory just unlocked. I've been hiding that away. I haven't seen it in a while, but I'm not hiring it, so I don't look at the rest of it. Oh, gotcha. Okay. Yeah. I'm yeah, okay. What papers did you like help out with? Like what was the subject exactly? Like did it relate to LLMs, to machine learning, or algorithms? I don't know the comp sci research stuff. I guess the only thing I really know is like, and even I don't know because there's so much going on with the field, like robotic stuff. Okay, so we really got to read this one. Well, let me read the others, but I kind of agree. Yeah, okay. Okay. I agree for like high level things. Wait, did I skip teleop? Okay. Oh, interesting. Oh wow, okay, we gotta really think about this. This feeds into control input. Oh wow. Yeah. Well, I already knew about 2. Yeah. Okay, what I just wrote down there is basically what I said down there. I'm just gonna keep it. audio alignment. Oh. Interesting. What's audio alignment? Sorry, I had to ban some guy. You didn't understand most of it. Would just be tweaking shit and hoping it would get better? Wait, okay, I'm confused. You wrote a paper you didn't understand? What if they ask you about the paper? Are you the main author? Or are you... etc. etc. all. etc. etc. al. Etsy. Okay, so... Okay. Such as cars, drones, underwater vehicle, like thruster configurations, submarine, robotic arms, humanoid, robots. Animal, robots. What else? What else is there? Etc. Goes further. Approach to generalizing this control setup. The implementation detail are sketchy at best. Yeah, like this, it needs an overhaul, especially what has good programs in Helios Core. It's not good. Round up, if we're thinking controls. Yeah, I still don't know what audio alignment is. Is that like trying to. Well, I guess I don't know. Is it like the clap thing? Sometimes I clap if like my microphone. If my microphone isn't attached to the audio of like my camera for whatever reason, or if I have like multiple camera setups. So if I have like different POVs and I clap, that's to align the audios a lot better. So they go by the count, and then you can just start cutting things up. What did I do that for? Huh, I did that back in the day, but I don't remember what I did that for. Oh yeah, chess. Let's get some puzzles in. Oh wow. One defender. 3 attackers. Technically 2 defenders, but won't be able to do much after that. If I go here, if I go here, take, they can't do anything. It's just this guy. And I'm covering this square. And technically I'm covering this square. And again, this guy's still pinned. That's hilarious. Such a weird, oh no. No, that wasn't the move. Okay, well, thought that was gonna be the move, cause like, you know, it's pinned. Did we just, huh? What's the move? Like, I don't get it. Like, we want to discover this, right? Interesting. Okay, whatever. Whatever. Oh wow. They said the guy said I was wrong. All right, what could we do here? Take, check. Goes back. Huh. This guy only can take. Should we do this? Then he will go here. Yeah, I haven't calculated this. Okay, never mind. It doesn't work. Yeah. Hilarious. I'm so lost. If you go here, well, even if you do this, doesn't make sense. Alright, what did my boy say? What did my boy Claude say to me? Ah, I see. Ah, I see. I guess I was combining two of these. That's fair. Yep. Yep. Task space. Interesting. What's up, Code Tutor? Long time no see, brother. When shouldn't I be in bed? When shouldn't I be in bed? Did you? It's really early. How am I doing? So warm. Always bed. So it do be feeling good. How am I doing? I'm doing all right. I think things are looking up now, looking better. Feeling better. Yeah, I think I've adjusted a bit. Yeah. Applied to a couple places, they haven't hit me up. I think they're just preparing for how much aura I'll give them. You know, they're just waiting. Oh yeah, co-tutored. So did you ever upgrade to $200 a month for Claude? I see. Okay, I see what's going on So I assume this would be the same with. Okay. Interesting. I guess I'm mostly used to this stuff. I mean, I feel like you could make like a thruster and a drone. Like they're all motors. I don't know. I feel like they should be more similar. But I guess it is body specific. I don't know. Yeah. Okay, I agree. You're on 200 Claude now? Oh, so you did upgrade. Oh my god, tutor. Do you yeah, damn. That's a lot of dinero. I just started a project on GitHub. It's still private, but I was wondering what you did with all the licensing and stuff. Oh, I just did MIT. Like, I don't really care. Like, I'm not trying to sell this. Could I? Probably. But then that would require a lot of marketing stuff. I might change the licensing to like the non-commercial things, or maybe excluding businesses like using this. I don't know. Like big businesses. I don't know, man. To be honest, if someone wants to use it, they're gonna use it. I'm a solo developer. You think I have the legal fees to do something? They're gonna take advantage of me. You're doing a huge project with them. Oh wow. What project? I see. Do you use any of it for work? Or does work pay for a specific? Does the work does your employer pay for a separate subscription, or is this all personal and then you use it for both? Yeah, it's just thinking ahead. Yeah, so the issue with that is big corporations will still take it if it's like, I'm gonna keep it a buck. I don't think what I'm coding is like something to steal. But you know, I've been wrong before, and if I am wrong, they're gonna take it either way if I open source it, right? So does that suck? Yeah. I'm not gonna be fighting it. Unless I become big and then I'm like, okay, well, you know, I actually have the fees to, you know, take them down a bit, but their pockets run deeper than mine. You pay for it? I see. Fable is a hit or miss unless you're using it. So, wait, what do you mean hit or miss? So, like, it depends if you're evil or not, or if it considers you evil. That's the miss. You have to make it consider you're good, and then it will hit. Is that what you mean? I don't think what I'm coding will be someone just thinking already. It's one of those things, you ain't gonna need it. Yagni. But what I'm getting at is if you make it public, if you're making your code public, just consider it open source. That's what I'm getting at. Is it technically? No. But you're putting it out in the world, right? So, yeah. The missus is still gets stuck doing it. Ah, I see. I guess. Yeah. This guy makes sense. Alright. Did it just repeat itself? But it's better than Opus overall. I can do things like launch a GUI and take screenshots of it so we can see what it looks like, which is awesome, but the screenshots guzzles tokens. Yeah, that's true. Can't you do that with Opus? Like, can't you... Wait, you can launch a GUI. Like that's the GUI is what you created, right? Like in your project, and you screenshot it and saying that the interface is crap for whatever reason. Tell it that, and it will correct it. Can't you do that with Opus? I feel like I've done that with Opus. Find what command line arguments in APR, but Fable is even better. I see. Okay. It writes a GUI, it runs it, then takes a screenshot so it can. Oh, it does it by itself. Like I like there's less human in the loop. Is that what you're referring to? Is that what you're saying? does it on its own. I see. I like to tell it to read source code of libraries when it gets confused. Yeah, that makes sense. Especially if it's like, if it's updated. Like whatever Claude was or Fable was trained on doesn't have like the most up to date version of the library. Like one of the things that kind of sucks is like is Bebby. This just came out a month ago, and yeah, like it needs to be able to read this so it can figure it out. But to be honest, it's been doing a good job for my POV, my ignorant POV. Set up Java. Oh, these are dependabots. I was using this crap program that has no documentation. I told it to read the Python module and find out the API. Then it found it. It was making calls to a DLL, so it started reverse engineering it. Oh wow. I hate where I have to reverse engineer things, because it takes so much time to figure out what the heck is going on, and then sometimes I do it wrong. Like sometimes I jot some, like it's my documentation, like I jot something down incorrectly. Like if I say number 1 going into this address, this memory address for some configuration makes the thing go up, this thing go up. When it actually makes it go down, like I sometimes mess it up. Like I'm like, oh yeah, 1 makes it go down, or like I jot the wrong thing on accident, and then I have to go back again. I'm like, this is not right. What did I do wrong here? Did it? Oh. Interesting. Yo. And another crappy program with no documentation on how it worked from the command line. It used basic hacking to read inside the executables and find them. Interesting. So for the program, there's no like open source code to it. There's no like you couldn't see the code. Damn. Final flags and options, but I was already impressed over a year ago. I had a compile C and Rust executables. Okay, and there was nothing open source. Okay, but I was already impressed over a year ago. I had a server locked up from multi-threading. Okay, it's fair. I was able to diagnose it using Linux command. Like it was even scanning the memory, trying to find the deadlock. Wow, that's crazy. Yeah, what was the lock? No, that's crazy. That's crazy. There was some contention happening. It was going to be a hacking nightmare? What do you mean nightmare? Why would it be a hacking nightmare? Oh, because it can figure out what could go wrong? Decompile things. I see. It can find some exploits, I guess you can say. But it can do testing much faster than we can. It can do a lot of things faster than we can, but fair enough. Okay. I think I'm gonna struggle through it with all of these, but we'll I think I'm excited. I think A will be the easiest, and then it just gets harder from there. I'll re-look at the design when I get there. I bet it can read minified JavaScript. What is minified? Does that just mean like JavaScript code? Like 1,000 lines becomes 2 lines all of a sudden or something? What does that mean? Like stuff humans can do that would take a very long time. Yeah. And then they came out with Mythos. I wasn't surprised. Did Mythos actually come out? I know they talked about it. Yeah, it's a watered down of Mythos. I see. I wonder, I mean, I'm not gonna be there, but I wonder. I wonder if all the employees just use Mythos. Gotcha. Okay. We'll just compact this. Oh, right. This is the daily, right? Interesting. Oop. Minified is a garbled version that's transpiled into something that's a few characters as possible to send over the internet. Oh, that's crazy. It's like compiling, but not compiling. I don't know. Maybe that's... I don't know how that works. Bro, I don't trust all these big AI companies with Mythos and whatever, you know? I mean... They created it. I don't... I feel like full transparency would be the best. Well... Let's say... I don't know. I don't know about that one, actually. Because full transparency can cause panic. With many... It depends on the information, right? But... Yeah, I don't know. Sometimes... Full transparency isn't the way. They did the Fable 5 thing with Opus. Kind of annoying. They created it just that full transparency would allow the field to even out. Because we would know what we're up against. Huh. I think that's how you would react, but other people would react maybe a lot differently. I mean, think about people knowing about LLMs right now. They've already said software is solved, like it's over. Like we don't have to do anything now. When in fact, software has not been solved. And people... Dude, why is my fucking nails so dirty, bro? What did I do? I took a shower yesterday. Last night specifically. Did I do anything in between? Huh. Oh man, this is gonna be my first time in a long time where I might be going past my limits. What's the first step? also need to, wasn't there like a, huh. I think there was like a test. Interesting. Did I? Huh. In your opinion, I feel like all these big data center models are not the way to go. I think smaller non-lingual models, non-lingual. I don't know what non-lingual models are. But if we don't have big data centers, oh, reinforcement learning? But if you don't have big data centers, how would they spy on us? How will they collect all the data to spy on us? How will they make sure that we are good little boys and girls that will not try to overthrow them and the power at be? You know what I mean? Like how would they not make sure we're the product? I don't get to. We need big data centers for that. What should you do with all the tofu coins? Do anything you want, man. Make me drink water, make me exercise, whatever it may be. English dictionary is huge. That's big facts. But there's a reason why they create them to tokens, and they're all basically numbers by the end of the day. I feel a lot more comfortable if there wasn't an Epstein class. An Epstein class? What does that mean? Like a social class? Or a class where you learn? What do you mean? Okay. So what's me mess with the cargo? Bin? It's like a vector. Yeah. Oh, a social class where most of the government abused thousands of underage girls. Okay, so that's what you mean. A class. Social class or economic class, whatever. Some group. Some group. That's what you meant. I was like, what type of... Where are people learning how to be Epstein? Is basically... There's also a social class where they abuse the working class. I think they also belong to the Epstein class, but yeah, tons of people involved. Yeah, I agree. What's up, Jeter? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Or I guess it's almost noon for you. About 30 minutes away or so. I don't think I'm gonna be touching these. Now I don't need anything. I do want this. Look at this, because function and on a bus to New York? Oh yeah, nice, nice, nice. Is it gonna be a day trip or are you guys gonna stay the weekend? Look, he hit me up 5 minutes. Oh. Oh, that's some bullshit, bro. So it didn't happen yesterday. I hate when they're on the BS, bro. Or they tell you to reschedule shit. Well, do you guys know what you guys gonna do in New York? With hardware hacking, I don't know what that means. Technically, no, I guess. Because I had some documentation, but I mean, sometimes the documentation was garbage. Like an ESPA 32, no. I messed with oh shit, I already forgot the protocol that they use. Well, there's CAN, but again, I had documentation, even though if it was poor. I can't remember the. I can't remember the protocol, which in an interview would look terrible. I'm like, damn. Oh, we already get these, so we don't need a. it. You just start Helios? Thanks. I don't. People like your stuff. I don't know. Well, starring for me as the user would help me like go back to the repo. Like if I starred another person's repo, I could go back to it easier. If someone stars mine, they can get back to it easier. But like, it would mean clout for me. People found it useful to like go back on. Is typically what it means. I ain't gonna fry. I ain't gonna front. I'm kind of hungry. I'm kind of hungies right now. Thanks for starring it. I got clout now. Alright, I already did that. Wait, after package, before or after dependencies? I just put it at the end. Why would I put the binaries at the beginning? So we need both of those? Oop. I see. Let args equal to no, I guess I'm a little confused here. Why do I need this? Oh wow, you actually need it. Interesting. That's crazy. Even though it derived it, it didn't get it. Interesting. Huh. The more you know. You're welcome. You're welcome. Alright. Presentation. Nope. Equal to if C CLI or args headless then it's going to be presentation headless, else Presentation window. So I like this ternary because it makes sense. But damn, bro. I don't know. Oh, I'm a little confused here. What's the default? Oops. ES host. New. I'll just call it arg still. Okay, I'll call everything CLI. Actually bothers me. Okay, it's just a unit type. Oh, did miss this part, huh? This should work. I think this should work. It should work. Hopefully it runs like usual. Kinda. Actually, I think it works the way that I intended it. It doesn't show like all the debug stuff, but I think it's probably because I don't have that as default. That's nice. Let me go through the examples, see what's going on here. Physics debug plugin. I have this thing. It's probably what would it be? That's cool. I'm stoked. I'm deleting so much. Yep. That's all I got. I'm deleting so much. Alright. Can I just... So just a black screen? Oh, still runs. Oh wow. Is it 1 or 2? 2. Oh my god. What the fuck? Oh, thanks for the raid, Ginoob. Hopefully your day has been going well. I really appreciate the raid. What were you doing? Were you chilling like a villain? Were you also on that morning grind? Well, actually, I guess I don't know where you live. Okay, just want to let it known for that. Day has been pretty good. Just a bit tired. I see. Was working on my custom Mesa compiler and backend after some. I'm gonna keep it a stack, brother. I have no idea what that means. I'm gonna keep it a stack. I'm abstracted from that. Have you heard of Dijkstra's? That's the stuff that I work on. A-star algorithm, path planning. That's me. I'm so sorry. With all the compiler stuff or like language things, my people who I talk to, they're really good at that. Me, I'm pretty dumb. It's almost 6 p.m. Oh wow. So we have about a 7-hour time difference. Oh, so you're in Europe. I'm assuming Europe. I guess it could technically be in Africa as well for the time zone. Nice. I'm working on this robotic simulator. I'm actually refactoring the code a lot. So I've abstracted a lot of the features that it had because it wasn't scalable or extensible. So right now it just drives by itself. You can't really tell anything. Like there's no interaction at all right now because I deleted all the interaction. But it's following a point. It's mapping things right now in the background. You can't see it. But right now it's like probably circling around a point. Because I don't have it stop at the point anymore because again I abstracted that feature, aka I deleted it to make something more extensible and it's easier to get more features put on top. Because right now it's too much. It was just too much. It was very hard coded. As a proof of concept, yeah. So, a little tidbit. It's basically like a robotic simulator. Right now it's only ground vehicles, but later in life, hopefully we get into more humanoid or robotic arm stuff, or drones, things of that nature. Yeah. Mesa is a 3D. Oh, gotcha. Oh shit. On FPGA? Oh snap! Okay. Damn. Yeah, dude, I want to get into like GPU programming, but once I get into it, it's so much. Like, you have to know so much about the hardware. Like, which hardware are you using, right? So I guess that's one of the reasons for like web GPU. So they try to centralize everything for like one API. And whatnot. I'm probably mansplaining to you since you know more than me. Sorry about that. Software for it. So Derm kernel drivers, shader compilers for that. Vulkan. Okay, gotcha. I know some of these words. Also LMV target later. Custom. IA64 is an old deleted CPU architecture, deleted from upstream a couple years ago, so I ported that back. Well, if it's deleted a while ago, then why would we port it back? We'll keep it a stack, brother. You're using a lot of acronyms, a lot of things. Oh man, I'm trying to understand you, brother. I'm really trying to understand you. Okay, so Vulkan I got. You got some kernel drivers, and then you're messing with shaders. Okay. But ISA, I don't know. IA64, I don't understand. But I'm assuming, because you see, IA64 is just a CPU architecture. Okay. Okay. Hope that helps. Oh, well, you know. Project looks nice. We're hoping it looks nicer. So the hope is I create some hooks where if I create a hook, it automatically like just gets built on top, where I don't have to mess with like 10 files worth to get one feature in, right? Just maybe 2 or 3 max. So that's the hope. Mesa is the implementation for graphics API like OpenGL, Vulkan. Okay, so Mesa. Okay, gotcha. So it's like web GPU. It's like the OpenGL. It's like the Vulkan. To get graphics, to get the graphics onto your computer, to start drawing triangles, drawing circles, or whatever you want to draw. I gotcha. Okay, gotcha. If I'm understanding correctly, I'm not I'm not the smartest when it comes to this stuff. The only thing I use Bevy for my game engine and just let it do the drawing stuff for me. Use OpenGL. If you use OpenGL, you really don't know a lot about the GPU side of things. Heck, even using Vulkan, not that much. Interesting. I heard stay away from OpenGL because you're just learning the OpenGL way in terms of graphics. I heard people like Vulkan better, that's for sure. I don't know much. I was trying to learn OpenGL just to learn CUDA. Didn't go well with me. We port back because it's fun, and oh, you bought hardware. Okay, so you bought the old hardware for it, even though it got deleted. You still have backwards compatibility. I see. Okay. ISA instruction set architecture. I see. I've been thinking about. I'm gonna apply to Master of Science for comp sci soon. So maybe I don't think I'll learn any of this actually. Oops. I was also thinking of data science, to be honest. Because the class I need to take is algorithms. I was thinking operating systems. I'm definitely gonna take parallel systems, that's for sure. Or programming languages. Because I have to take 10 classes. I'm definitely not taking this. I don't know. I don't know if I'll take any of these. I might do this just to really hone in on my ability to learn. I don't need parallel systems. What the? I think about it this way. You have your user app, which is using specific GFX API, like Vulkan, okay, that is implemented in Mesa for different GPUs, like memory model. Okay, so you're using the Vulkan. Oh, so Vulkan calls Mesa. So Vulkan's dependency is Mesa, and Mesa talks to the GPU. Whatever GPU is on your system. I see. Okay. Calls the Durham kernel driver. Gotcha. Enough yapping about me. That's totally fine. Gee noob. Don't worry. Feel free to keep yapping, bro. But I will say, we are a very strict community here. We do not tolerate murdering here. Okay, so no murders, and we're all chill. But once that happens, time out. Sorry, had to do some weird acting thing. I don't know. I felt like I don't need parallel systems though. What? You definitely need operating systems and probably algorithms. I do think I need algorithms because I can't reason about things in that regards. But why no parallel? I feel like I do need parallel systems. MPI. I've worked with MPI once. That's cool. So are we learning this in C++? I'm assuming. Oh, dude, that'd be fucking dope. Because the MPI is a C++ library. I mean, I don't know if it got ported to other things, but that's where I've learned it. None of the classes are what I think they probably are. Okay. I think I know what optimization is. And online learning and optimization is hardcore math. Yeah, it's about like proving those things, right? Like, yeah, that's fine. Like, it's under theory courses. I mean, I kind of assume since they're like talking about NP stuff. Oh, interesting. Really? Let's see. Design and analysis? Coping? I don't know what this means. What BSc did you do? Oh, what bachelor's? Oh, I did mechanical engineering. So I have a mechanical engineering background for both my undergrad and graduate degree. But I worked on robotic stuff on my tail end of academia. Man, mechanical engineering sound, I don't know, man. There's some fun things. There's some fun things about it. But it just kind of sucks. You don't use a lot of the things in your work since it's so generalized. Like, you learn about fluid mechanics, heat transfer, dynamics, controls. What else? Not finite element analysis regarding to that, but like materials, like material science. I can't remember this. It has to do with like structures, and the forces that apply to them. Not statics, but shit. but it relates to finite element analysis. Damn. The class was it? Oh shit, I forgot the class already. Damn. It's whatever. It's like, it's just so generalized, and I'm grateful for what I learned, but at the same time, I'm like, damn. I feel like jack of all trades. Interesting. Well, I have 10 classes to take for the master's, so. Do you think the algorithms would help me with understanding better of like what I'm trying to do in like leak code settings or something? Or even when presented a problem, even in a work environment, like how to like solve things? Do you think that would help? Leak code is mostly data structures. Yeah, I mean, yeah. And algorithms, data structures and algorithms, yeah. No, but it'll make me look less dumb in an interview. That's one of the reasons why I want to take it. I feel like I'm kind of dumb in interviews. What a log is? Like logarithmic time? Or logging? Like in code, in like observability logging. Oh, but they don't know math. Oh, okay. I'm hoping I'm not one of those people. I feel like I kind of understand it. It's from high school, yeah. Oh, they don't know the word like like logarithmic. Oh. I will say the thing I fucking hate about log is like, depending on who you're talking to, they're assuming the base. Because personally, I assume log as log base 10. But one thing that kind of threw me off going to people who are in comp sci, it's log base 2. Like that's what they're thinking, log base 2. And I think LN, and sometimes also in mechanical engineering, they use log as ln, like it's log base e. In when we're like writing notes, they just assume that you think it's log base e for exponential, and it throws me off every time because I don't know what we're talking about. Like if you're gonna use log base e, use ln. I don't know, man. Maybe I'm being nitpicky, but it really makes me, it grinds my gears. Like let's just add the little subscript to figure it out. Like draw the graph, what its inverse, use it in a math problem. Yeah. I mean, it's just finding the exponential number, right? Just it. Like log base 10 of 100 is 2. Yeah. But I guess people didn't really understand that it's the inverse of exponential. But yeah, anyway. Dividing, repeating, yeah. Just like So it took me, because I guess it was never presented to me like this, or I didn't retain this information. But multiplying is just continuously adding, and or division is continuously subtracting. And then once someone unlocked that for me, this was me in college when someone unlocked that for me. Like I looked up I don't know, like a YouTube or like somewhere I found it on social media somewhere. And after that point I was like, holy shit. Like it took me that long because someone finally said it out loud for me. And then I was like, oh, exponential is just continuously multiplying. And then like we just kept like trying to shorthand this. Like mathematicians are lazy. We keep forgetting mathematicians are lazy. They just want to, instead of just saying it, let's just make one little thing that represents that. Yeah. So I don't know. It took me a long time to figure that out. Even though I understood it, I just never broke it down like that, I guess. So if your algorithm is dividing in half every time, like binary search, then it's log. Yeah, I agree. Or a tree with 2 branches at every node is log base 2. Wait, what's log there? They dropped the base? Like the coefficient? Like the coefficient, like if it's 2 times, right? Oh, it's n. Wait, hold up. The base, it doesn't matter? Really? You learned L'Hopital's rule in Calc 2? I thought I remember learning it in Calc 1. It's the same growth rate as n approaches. Really? Let me think about that. But like log base 2 of 100 has a different x value. I don't know what that is. Is different than log base 10 of 100, which is 2. I mean, I guess if the like it's the same growth rate, okay. There's probably some role with that. Haven't really done the background on that. Cause wait, how's that L'Hopital's rule though? Cause doesn't it have to be 0 over 0? Where's the 0 over 0 part? Where's the undefined part? I don't know. Oh, you divide 2 growth rates. I see. As they approach infinity. Oh, which would turn into 0. Okay. Or infinity over, yeah, it would go to 0. Okay, I gotcha. So log base 2 over log base 10 of x going to infinity. Oh, wait, did I mess that up? No, I messed that up. Log base, wait. Okay, I got it. Right. Oh, see you, Ganoob. Hey. Hope where you're having, you enjoy whatever you eat. Yeah. Oh, thanks for the follow, brother. Really appreciate it. Yeah. I would love to have you back. Okay. Have a great rest of your evening. So I know the derivative of 1 over ln of x is 1 over x. I forgot what what the derivative of log base anything else. Like not log base e is 1 over x, but log base anything else. What is that? I mean, the easier Kono, get out of here, bro. Always coming in with the math facts. Okay, no, I'll listen. Let me see. I mean, the easier way is just change of base. Log a of b is equal to log of n b. Okay, divide by that. Oh, I see. So okay, so it basically gives you so your a doesn't matter when you say something is logarithmic time. Okay, I got you. That proves that the growth, like saying something is logarithmic time base 2, it's the same growth rate, or in terms of big O notation. Thank you for taking the time to explain this to me. I see. As it goes to infinity. Yeah. That's what I meant. As b goes to infinity, whatever, or as the a goes to infinity. Yeah. Basically goes to 0. As a goes to infinity, it goes to 0. Yeah. That's cool. Damn. So, dude. I don't know, man. So there's a false premise? Oh no. The most important thing is its inverse of the exponential. Yes. Logarithmic time is that, yeah. So the graph looks different. It's more flatter. I see. So for a bigger input, it wouldn't mean as much. Yeah. Some random number, yeah. Because the rate flattens out instead of takes 32 calculations. Oh, really? That's 2 to the 32? Oh, that I believe you. Oh yeah, that's right. I forget that int 32 is like negative 217 to, I don't know what it is, 217 to 217. I don't know what it is. But something like that. Okay. I agree with the Viz plugin. Yo, data size in the trillions or even exponentially more, it can still do it fast. Yeah, 32 calculations, that's nothing comparatively to, I guess, being linear, right? For something that big. Oh, I see. Fair enough. Fair enough. And that's what I would learn in the algorithms course, right? Like that type of theory stuff. Yeah, that's fine. I'll be fine with that. Because I feel... I mean, I don't know. I do need to like get better at dynamic programming. One thing that I'm really bad about is like figuring out state and seeing that there's a state in the first place. I don't know. But I'll look dumb in an interview if they ask certain questions. What questions? And on the other side, if you have a very small data set, but it's already slow or impossible to run in your lifetime. That's why we don't see a lot of what is it, backtracking stuff. Like backtracking has to be a very small set. Yeah. If they probe about or I'm using big O wrong. Yeah. That probably would happen to me. I mean, that did happen to me, I guess. Like I couldn't. I thought I explained why something was gonna be like O of MN, because it was like BFS, and I was like, oh, it's because we have a visited set or whatever. And I thought I explained it, but I guess I had to reiterate it. And then I just told him like, oh, I guess I can't explain why this is O of MN, but my intuition says this. Like, I was like, no, I can't explain why. It has a very specific definition. Isn't big O like the worst case scenario? I have a very limited understanding. Very limited understanding. Yeah. And then there's the pi one, or not pi, omega, which isn't omega like the average time? Is omega average time? Yeah. I don't know any of those, by the way. I'm just spitballing. And the fastest time. Oh, okay. But we usually worry about the worst case scenario, because you want to make sure the worst case scenario isn't bad. Let's see. Imagine you have a program that may complete in 2 seconds or may take 10,000 years. That's what they big. Yeah. I know. Yeah. It's the luck of the draw type of thing. And with exponential, that can easily happen. That's definitely happened to me. Okay, be right back. I'm gonna take this ad break. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? I'm back. We're back. We're back. You know what this means? Chess time. Oh, snap. Because I also have food, because I need to eat. Okay. What? There's nothing. Can't believe I missed the diagonal. It's kind of unfortunate. Alright. I don't think you can really threaten me and all, right? Checkmating idea, you say? Can I just do this? Straight up? Third mate there? Like, what would he... Can't do anything after that, right? Can't do this, can't do this. Just brute forcing this thing, right? Oh, wow. Can I just force him back right here? And then go? Hilarious. White to move, okay. We're down a rook, a bishop, and 2 pawns. Damn. We're in the trenches right now. We in the trenches right now. Alright. So we have here, which means he could go here or here. He goes here. Then I have mate right here. Oh. These 2 squares are taken. Okay, so you can't go there. He goes here. I'm already funneling him over here, right? Oh wait, he could just go back. Cause if I go here, go over yonder, he can go here. What do I do there, right? I don't want to play this dance again. Okay. So I go here, he goes here. Pawn here. If he goes here, it's mate. I go back. Right? He has to take. He comes takes. I'm here at this point. He goes here. Taken. Do I just check him again? You just escape. Okay. This knowing this square is fine. So he's here. And then I'm here. So if I go back, he can just escape over here. And I can't. Oh wait, no, I check here. Alright, fuck it, let's just do this. Okay, down. It didn't work out. I thought it was gonna work out. It didn't work out. Down. When am I hitting 3K elo? I mean, not anytime soon. Does not look like anytime soon. This has to be a checkmate, because the thing is, I'm down so much material. Why wouldn't this be it? It's not this. Now I only have one piece, bro. I guess technically speaking, he's not threatening anything on me, so. Damn. I legit don't know the move. Because he has everything protected. He has everything protected. That was literally the only viable check that I could see. You want to do this first? It's crazy. Like, I guess I realized I had enough time there. I mean, damn. I mean, I recognize two places he could have gone, right? If he went here or if he went here. Just take those squares away. Especially when I had time, right? Damn, that's crazy. Yeah, after 20 attempts, I got it. Okay. I'll play a game. Since I'm eating, it has to be slower time control. Can't eat and play bullet. Interesting. Really interesting. Hella interesting. Just take this bad boy out. Let's do this. I just want to make sure these guys can go up. So I'm threatening 2 pawns. He has to address this. But he's protecting it. Oh, but he's protecting this. I want to jump in here. So if I push this up, where does he go? Right here? Let's excuse me, let's address that. Don't want my bishop under attack. I'm trying to figure out where I want my bishop. I'm thinking right here. Do you want to be annoying? I let him come through if he wants to be annoying. Because there's literally no point of being right there. He's not really gonna do anything. And I have this under control. He might want to be here or something, possibly. I'm gonna let him waste his moves. Doesn't really make sense. He's really preparing for this pawn push. But that makes no sense. Because I want to be here. He has like everything looking at that. But if I just push, he doesn't, nothing's gonna happen. He has hella control over the square. If he pushes and I lock it up, we're chilling. This knight has to go back home or go right here, which is not probably good. Probably traps his knight somehow. Because the idea, if I go here, bam. Oop. Sorry. If I go here, I can lock in. And he has to get rid of the knight somehow. I have to figure out how to do a couple things. But one thing I don't want to do is relieve control over here yet. Because then a knight will come in. One of these knights come in. I'll only do that if a pawn occupies a spot. Okay, how do we improve our position though? I guess I just... I'm not really worried about these two squares right now. Yeah, this is exactly what I wanted. It's totally fine. Because... I think I could just do this. Come back. And you can't protect it, right? He does this. En passant. And then again, I get this pawn. You can go here. I'm okay with this because this is my bad bishop. I have all this chained up. If he takes, it's okay. Only issue is, would he go anywhere else? No, I can't. Okay. So I'm just gonna go here. Now I'm eyeing these guys down. It's totally fine with me. The reason why that's fine with me is because now it unlocks this guy. So now he's attacking too. So if I take, he takes. Chop, chop, chop. You guys under attack. I have to address it somehow, right? If I go here, what happens? Can we be a bit annoying? See, I just don't like it all disconnected. I want to jump in too with this knight. There's no good squares for me. Alright, fuck it. Oh, I did the wrong way. Oh well. Now I'm hopping in here. Oh wait, what am I doing? I'm supposed to hop in first. I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. I was supposed to go with my knight first. That was the reason why. I didn't even calculate all that. Now I have like this terrible pawn structure. We got some piggies. Feed your enemies, we got some piggies. I mean, it worked out, but yeah. is definitely, even though I'm a pawn up, it's fucking ugly, dude. I was hoping to get rid of this guy. Oh, it's check. Fuck. Comes with check. It wasn't supposed to come with check. Thank you. Thank you. I didn't even have to think about that because like now I'm just throwing all this. And he gave me a free feed. Like he wasn't even in time crunch. He wasn't even in time crunch. Holy crap, bro! Thanks for the free piece. There were so many ways he could have done things. I thought he was gonna go back here, so then I can just enter, which would have been smart. We just move this guy up, right? This guy's out of play. He's trying to make him get into play somehow. Should I just go behind? I'll just go behind. How about that? He can't do anything because I have this on lock right now. He could threaten this now. He has some piggies, so I'm okay. The only reason why I did this is so I can play back and just block that area. If he wants to trade, we can trade. Yeah, that's fine. We're just moving up. Too slow. Oh shit. Was not expecting that actually. I did not see that. Actually, he's kind of late right here. No? He can take. Okay, we got a minute. We gotta lock in. We gotta lock in. We got like a checkmate, dude. No. I don't want you, bro. Get out of my face. One and done. One and done. That was such a bad ending too. And I was so dumb about it. I should have done this. Or even this, you know? Just keep things stable. I did this. And he took. I was like, let me just do this now. This guy. You can't move forward because of my rook is just he removed his way to go forward because of the pawn pushes. Did I surprise myself? No. What do you mean? Did I surprise myself? I'm goated. I was surprised that he didn't try to do anything about it. Like nothing? Tried nothing out? Like even here? Still mate? Actually, I guess I wouldn't know what to do, huh? Oh, he would have to go back here, right? I don't know. What's up, Pago? How's it going, man? How's it going? Long time no see, brother. Long time no see. I just got done eating. Just vibing, grinding. What you grinding on, brother? What are you grinding on? Baby grinds on me. Was that good, guys? Was that good? Put a forward reference to... Oh, I see. Fine. That makes sense. Early morning gym sesh, then a cardio sesh? Oh, wow. Actually, let me ask if anyone's vibing today. Oh, I forgot his name already. What's his name? Oh yeah. You've inspired me to do my morning, or just gym session in general. You've inspired me, Pongle. Gotta rise and grind. Well, what did you work out today? Did you already do the cardio session, or are you doing it soon? Slowly but surely, seeing progress. Hell yeah. I found out I lost a pound recently. Later earlier than part D. So having arbiters, yes, I agree. Okay. 10 a.m. upper body for an hour. Just upper body. Okay, gotcha. So you have the upper lower split? Is that your current split? If you can remind me. So then 4 to 5 is Stairmaster. Oh, interesting. Damn. Hour of Stairmaster. You're a beast, brother. You're a beast. I'm trying to get faster. I'm trying to figure out if oh, you're just doing upper. Oh, upper lower. Okay. So the first time I read that, I was like, you're only doing upper, no lower. That's what I read. I'm just doing upper at the moment. I skipped the word lower, and I was like, damn, something must be going on for not the lower. Or I mean, Stairmaster is good. Like, it definitely burns depending on how you do it. Yeah. Well, it burns either way, no matter what. But for the legs specifically, don't want to add new shit when I'm still learning. Yeah, that makes sense. Totally makes sense to me. Your lower body is way more progressed. What do you mean? Sure, why not? If we talking weight, naturally, since I've been carrying so much weight for like a decade, my legs just naturally are strong. Upper body, not so much. I see. Okay. Fair enough. I mean, legs tend to be just stronger by default, right? Just more muscle. I mean, glutes. Your glutes are the biggest muscle that you have. So we might as well work it out. My glutes, not the biggest muscle. It's not the biggest muscle. And we're trying to work on that, guys. Hack squats are hard, bro. Even with no weight, it's hard, bro. I think I don't know how it is in the UK, but over here, I'm assuming it's the same equipment. It's 135 pounds minimum, like for no weight on it. Like price you're fine with. Let's see. 140, 160 kilograms. Oh snap, that's like 350. About like 350, 350 pounds. Yeah. wasn't trying to lower whatever weight you got going on by converting to pounds, because like my conversions can be quite off. Because I said someone was overweight. They were saying they were 60 something kilos or something, and I converted that to like 180. I don't know what I converted that, 170, but it was actually like 150 pounds, and I'm like, damn, my bad. I didn't mean to say you're 20 more pounds than you actually are. It's because I was doing centimeters to inches, which is 2.54 centimeters is 1 inch, and I was using that conversion, the 2.54. I was like, damn, my bad. Instead of the 2.2 something. Yeah. 2.2. So that 0.3 really fucked me up, bro. That really fucked me up. Like, ah, shit. My bad. Didn't mean any disrespect, brother. Damn, it's writing a lot, bro. All right, that's kind of weird. Nice one more set, then 2 to 3 more sets until fair. Oh wow. I'm trying to do hip thrust and glute bridges. The only difference is like how low you go, basically. Because the lower you go, you start bending at the ankles. And then for like glute bridges, your calf is basically straight the whole time. Yeah. On abductors. Oh wow, abductors. Felt like shit. Dude, that's fine. That's fine. Okay. But I feel you on that. First time I did glutes. Every time I do glutes for since a long time, like work it out. Booty cheeks aren't feeling good. Booty cheeks aren't feeling good. Doing personal projects? What personal projects you got? I felt like I fucked up here. This is the move, no? Oh, so it was this. I did this. It's just not the move. What's the move? Now it's here. Chop, chop. Chop. This is what I wanted. I actually messed up because I was thinking just take, so just do this. This is actually what I wanted. And I was like, okay with all this. But what's the big difference here? Oh, it's because I left that. Interesting. Oh, I see. I'm turning this. He has to do this or something. Like untangle this crap. I can't push easily. Maybe here. No? So you're first? Ah. Because now these two are... Damn. That's the position I wanted. No idea, but I need to do something. Oh yeah. Feel free, dude. Feel free. Your project could be teaching me Java, bro. I need to find a job with Java. There's a guy here. Booty cheeks aren't feeling good. That's crazy. It's we're talking about working out the glutes for the first time in a long time. Start feeling sore, dude. You know what I mean, Lee Will? You know what I mean? This is not a morning grind anymore. This is some set roll. I agree with this actually. I actually like the Viz set. Levo, you're just recommending questions, dude. This guy. I think, oh, you did recommend this to me. I didn't do it. I can tell because I have no submissions. No attempts. I remember this question. I remember because of the Rick and Morty. It's time to start doing it in Java? This guy. That's what you program in though, right, Poggle? We're about to have some fun, guys. And oh, this guy. Keep adding stuff. Let's see. Let me look at it first. Feels Java, man. Okay, fair enough. I got you, brother. Have you been doing all right, Elite Will? Doing all right? Oh snap! Wait, hold up. Did I actually log out? No, I didn't. Cool. What is this? What am I looking at here, Elite Will? Wouldn't touch Java with NVim though. Really? What's the fucking point of Neo? What's the point of me learning NeoVim? It's a Python. Lewa, okay, I can see that, but why would you want this? I don't mean use Python. Just use IntelliJ. Could be useful. I need to apologize to Howling. I felt bad giving an interview for Python stuff, and I was so ignorant on a couple things. So I was looking back at it, I was okay. He should have kept everything in strings in the beginning. The result, he should be able to use a list, but everything else should be in strings as the ideal solution. But yeah, anyway. What is this you're on about? Oh, I gave a mock interview to some other streamer, and we had to deal with like a lot of strings, and he was doing this in Python. But one thing I found out about Python are all strings are immutable. So what happens is you start you can get to n squared type of solutions depending on how you write things, but you should be aware of that for Python. And to be fair, I also thought that you can still do things linearly even with those issues. There was going to be a point in time where he was going to mess with like something like this in Python, and then you had to do a pushback, right? Pushback L something, right? And he had to do that in a loop. But ideally, you would want this to be like this, like some empty array, and then you start pushing back within this for loop. So for loop. This is C++, but you get the gist. And then by the end, you combine. What's the combine join? Like you start doing like foo.join or something. Something like this. Oh, it's the other way. It's the other way. So that was good exposure. Like the only time he really needed the list was the end. Because if he converted a list too early, it might have actually... I mean, he would have done a lot of conversions. He would have done a lot of conversions. But the reasoning I gave him was poor. Was piss poor. That's what I'm getting at. I gave him a piss poor reason. For the question that I gave him. So that was actually a good learning experience for me as well. So thank you, Leetwell. Thank you. I don't know if Kono's still here, but thank you, Kono. Thank you, anybody who was like trying to tell me about Python specific things. It updated my knowledge, at least. Yeah. One update system. Interesting. I'll be needing to use Python eventually. So wait, quick question. So this is also bad, right? If it's also this is not a string anymore, but so if I have a string, right, and it's called bar, and the initial is here. This is bad practice. Whatever, right? Is this bad practice? Just go straight for the hell that is Java. I did. So the people who can recommend me for some positions, they always recommend me to learn Java, because that's one of the key requirements in the job posting. And I'm like, fuck, bro. I have nothing in Java. I don't even have Hello World in Java. Practically, that's okay. Really? But for like our example, would it be bad? Like it's like a for I in range. I don't know, 0 to 100. Like that. This. I was mostly saying like, cause like for the example that I had, obviously this is not an actual string. I think you would do it like stir or something. Say stir. I don't know. There's other head openings will probably be Java these days. Some web dev stuff, yeah. In a loop, that's where things get scary, yeah. This also makes sense of a couple things that I've done before, like why it was so slow. I think that was part of the reasoning. But then again, I don't remember how I concatenate things, so yeah. I'm not getting any. Oh, is it because of you? Bro, what are you talking about? Oh. Okay, nice. Now I get the auto complete. Cool. And it only wants the ground truth state. Fair enough to me. And then gizmos. I've yet to use these. Is that it? Okay. We're about to get. Oh damn! I was trying to use gizmos. I was like, we're trying to get gizmos. We're about to get. But the thing is, physical is 3 syllables. Gizmos, gizmos. Had an extra syllable for no reason. God. This is an Sometry in ENU. Dude, I can't wait to make a type system of the fucking coordinate transforms or coordinate systems. Cause I don't want to guess what something is. Okay, I don't know how to draw yet. We're hoping to learn that now. Draw. We hate the magic values. Gizmos. Oh, it's mute. Oh. That makes sense to mutate it. Okay. Nice. We did step 1, guys. We did step 1. Seems like I already did step 3 too. But I didn't do step 2. So one thing I need to do, I would like to look, where's a good example of this? World? Here? No. This is how to create a plugin. Where's the... Would it be core? Yeah, where's all this? App state, I see. Yeah, I would love to organize this shit too. This feels so like unorganizable to me. Like core, and then it has all these files that you don't know what's core. Yeah, this is kind of what I want. Cause hub enum viz set. We only have one thing live. Which I actually don't know how I should do things or how things should be structured, but use is it not a system set? Okay, I'm just gonna use prelude then. how do they create the plugin? Oh, I see. My bad, my bad. Yeah, damn. And I wanted to play video games. To be honest, I like making progress on here. I didn't do that much this week, so kind of annoyed by that. Oh wait, no, that was the thing that I needed to... Okay. This one I don't need anymore. That one I need. Okay, so we want to do it. Pop struct. What do we call it? Visualization plugin? A viz plugin. Okay. Oh, no, that's it. I might just do the whole prelude. We'll see. There's all these other plugins, but or like plugin functions, but I don't know what they are. Okay, at this point we should just and then okay, I don't know how to do step 2. I don't know what this line means. In code. I don't understand what that means. take a bit of a break. This did say a morning grind. Now we're going into the afternoon. This is what I was looking for. I didn't know what that meant. Yeah, I'm gonna head out. We're gonna actually see some visual stuff soon. I'm excited. I'm excited. That's for sure. Anyway, thanks for coming on through, everybody. I hope everyone has a lovely day. Peace out, Girl Scouts.